Hello guys, this is your boys back here and welcome to another interesting video. Guys, in today's video, we've passed the first phase and the second phase of the Funderpro challenge. All right, now in this video, I'm going to lead you guys through how you will go about the KYC verification process with the Funderpro. Also, we've passed the 50k challenge with FTMO account. And lastly, I will show you guys my forex robots currently passing prop firm challenges and managing my own personal accounts. Guys, having said that, let's go and see what's going on. So as you guys can see on my dashboard, I've passed the two phase. This is the first phase and this is the second phase. Success. Now we've passed and we have to do the KYC identity check. Let's see what goes on here. All right. Then it brings me here. Now, one thing I notice about these guys is that once you pass, you don't get the certificate. Like FTMO and the other guys, Fundedness, would do, these guys don't do that. So I reach out to them and I ask them the question. So just to inquire if I will get the certificates or not. At first, their AI responded me, their AI agent. So if you're talking, if you go there and you need to talk with someone, after the AI agent responds to you, you need to tell them that, hey, I need to speak with a human, right? Write in the chat, I need to speak with a human agent, and the AI will connect you with a human agent, all right? With all of these pro firms, that's what they do. So try that if you want to speak with a human being, all right? And they will connect you quickly with a human being, all right? So yeah, at the end, someone came and this is what they told me, and they wrote me back in my email. They didn't reply me here. And they told me that for us to give you the certificates, first, you will have to do the KYC identity check, all right? So we're going to do it and we will see what happens, all right? So let's go. Verification. This point, you will scan the QR code, and probably this is the point that you will have to go and take whatever documents you want to give to them. All right, so I'll go and do that and I'll come back right quick. Okay, guys, here I am. And normally I like to go on my phone because I will take a picture of my documents. Then they will verify liveness, whereby they will scan your face to match it with the document you provided to them. All right, so having done that, then you can continue on the rest on your desktop. All right, so I'll come here and I'll press continue here. Then you will fill in all these informations. All right. Okay, so now I'm done with the identity check. Let's go and see what's next. Okay. Now with these guys, you have to pay attention because they send a whole lot of information via your email. All right. Okay, so guys, once you've put in your signatures there inside and then you press finish. Let's see where it takes us. Set your password. Okay, so guys, once you sign the document, this is where it will bring you. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Funderpro. All right, so the documents, everything has been signed. The contract has been signed. All right, this is how it looks like. One for me, one for them. And at this point, let's go back to Funderpro and see. Contract signed, all right, verified. Now I think I'm just waiting for them to give me my funded account. Let's go back to the email and see. Okay, your document has been completed, all right. Then here it says access your document anytime. Okay, I think they will send me the account probably the next day. Yeah, I think the lady said something like that in the message that they sent me in the mail. So this is the mail that I wrote them, okay? And this was their reply. They said, hi, congratulations on passing your challenge. You will receive it along with your funded account credentials. Okay, typically you will receive your funded account within 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so yeah, that is the idea. All right, so I think after a day or two, I will receive the account and probably I will add an update of that at the end of the video, right? Maybe probably some screenshots. All right, so having shown you guys the process, basically that is it. What is left is for them to give me the funded account, and then I will plug the funded account to my MT5. All right, you guys see right now we have signed a contract, we are verified, and yeah, we are good to go. So let me take you guys to my trading platform, my setup, where I have all my setups, where I will show you my personal accounts and the FTMO challenge pass very quick. All right, so let me take you here where you guys will see the robots passing challenge. All right, so here's the bots. All right, they are passing the challenge. Okay, this account we just got like 2-3 days ago. All right, and here is this one too. Okay, standing in 10,488. all right, so it's a 10,000 accounts. All right, and this one too is another funded account, and it's standing in 10,449. all right, obviously I'm using a conservative method to trade so that there won't be any kind of like suspicion. All right, I don't want to raise any suspicion, so we're taking it slow so that it will pass it nicely smooth. And let's see my personal accounts. All right, so as you all can see, we are on a live account. All right, so I deposited $100, and in less than a week the robot has given me more than 100%. all right, it's a system. I don't even call it a robot, because it's not just one machine. I have different machines working, you understand me? So I gave it to them, and they started to do all the magic that they have to do. All right, so the robot traded everything, and you guys can see, so I loaded the account on the 19th of January. Okay, so this week here, and the robot traded it, made profits. And here is another 500 accounts. All right, 500 pounds. Okay, so all managed by the robots. Okay, so you see I deposited 500 pounds, and after it I left it for my robots, and the robots have been trading it ever since. You can see from the magic number, the robots have been trading it. Okay, and they've brought it all the way here. Okay, good. Now let's look at this other account. This other account is amazing. I deposited 15 euros. All right, on the 22nd of December, I deposited 15 euros on 22nd of December. Okay, here we are. 15 euros on 22nd of December. All right, 22nd of December 2025. And ever since, the robots took their accounts in their hands, and guys, the rest is history. All right, just for you guys to know, it's my personal account. You see, I've made different withdrawals and stuff like that. Okay, so here we are. Now, if you're good with percentage, think of it. If I deposited 15 euros, all right, using proper risk management, and now the robots have traded up to 83 euros, how much of a percentage that is in more or less around a month and a week? How much of a percentage that is, guys? This is crazy. All done by robots. I didn't have to do anything. All right, the system that I built, they did it. All right, let me take you guys to FTMO, and let's just flash there really quick, and then we can call it a day. All right, so you see here is the second phase. All right, 50k verification swing, and we have a pass. All right, we did all of that yesterday. All right, anyway guys, that is all. If I have to tell you guys about the challenge that I faced to pass this challenge, guys, zero stress. I trade like I'm playing a game. It's all about mastering the craft, understanding everything from scratch. Don't skip the process, guys. Master trading, become a genius at it, become good at it, and guys, the rest will be history. Yeah, guys have been singing me from the early 2025 passing profit challenges, back to back to back to back, and now I'm even taking it higher, whereby I'm even allowing my robots to pass these challenges with me. So it's a combo of me passing with my manual strategies, my 4 manual strategies, and my robots, my systems that I've built with robots, passing the challenges too as well. Guys, if you master the art of forex trading, passing profit challenges won't be a stress for you. So guys, that's the word that I have for you guys, and I hope you did enjoy this video. Guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do subscribe. If you want to get your hands on my forex courses, guys, let me know in the comment section. All right, having said that, I'll bring an end to this video, and I love you all. Keep on trading and keep on being a blessing.